Hey everyone, you might have listened about ChatGPT these days on YouTube, social media, news, everywhere. So let me tell you what ChatGPT is. It is an online AI powered tool which is free to access for everyone. First, let's define ChatGPT. It stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it is a state-of-the-art language processing AI developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT was launched on 30th November 2022. The new and improved model of ChatGPT was launched on 15th December 2022. What makes ChatGPT unique is its ability to generate human-like text based on a given prompt. This means it can hold natural flowing conversations with users and respond to a wide variety of questions and statements. Here is a mind-blowing fact about ChatGPT. ChatGPT has crossed 1 million users within a week of its launch. Meanwhile, it took Facebook just over a year to reach 1 million users, while it took Twitter just over 2 years to reach the same milestone. So the real question is, how is it getting all this information to answer to its users? The model was trained using text database on the internet. This included a whopping 570 GB of data obtained from books, web text, Wikipedia, articles, and other pieces of writings on the internet. To be even more exact, 300 billion words were fed to the system. Also, it is learning from the user interactions daily. So, how it is going to change our life? Well, for one, it has the potential to revolutionize customer services. Instead of waiting on hold or navigating through automated phone menus, users can simply chat with ChatGPT and get their questions answered instantly. But ChatGPT's uses go beyond customer services. It can also be used to power chatbots on social media platforms and in online shopping platforms like Amazon. It can assist with language translation and even help with content creation. The possibilities are endless. So now benefits for students? Well, it can generate any response. It can write articles, essays, explain simple concepts, research papers, solve math, physics problems, and so on. Here's a fun fact. New York City schools officials block access to ChatGPT to stop students from generating essays. Professionals can also use ChatGPT, like programmers can generate their code and fix bugs, and also it can be your very own assistant. Talking about its limitations, as it was launched just a month ago, so it is not perfect yet, such as its reliance on large amount of training data and its inability to reason about complex concepts. ChatGPT can only fetch data prior to the year 2021, as its training stopped in the year 2021. What will be the future of ChatGPT? Well, in the future, it may become an integral part of our life by replacing a lot of human force. Let's hope its future moves towards positive way and not start a human takeover mission or nuclear war.